Today is Saturday, September 30th, and Robin and I are here in Ontario, California at the Podcast
and Portable Media Expo.
Right. Okay, one of the things that Robin and I got a real kick out of was the special Blogger and Podcasting Lounge, and so we're going to go take a look at that Blogger and Podcasting Lounge today. It might be our kind of place to hang out.
Best we can determine at this point in time is that blog means weblog, and it does a couple of things. One, it's kind of like a real-time diary of an individual's experience. The second one is that we're discovering that blogging is a door through which podcasting can happen.
Okay, you can see everybody's real anxious to get in there. We got people who are here attending the conference. We also have people who have gotten a free coupon to get in. Whoops, looks like they're letting the crowds in, so we're going inside and talk to some folks. Now we're in the crowd here. People are jostling and bumping. Everybody wants into that exhibit hall. And there's a guy with blue hair. Do you want to get the guy with blue hair? Do you have your own podcast?
Yes.
What is your podcast?
It's Pod Fun. It's a comedy podcast.
No kidding. All right. Do you have video on there?
Sometimes.
Okay. All right. So Pod Fun?
Yeah, Pod Fun.
How long have you been doing it?
About 110 days so far.
You have a podcast?
Yes, we have a podcast in the UK, but we've come here to find out much, much more about it because you folks are well ahead of us in the UK.
Well, see, I always thought of the UK as being ahead in the technology area, particularly when it comes to online learning, because you have so many of your university courses are online, well before anything here.
That's true, but in the world of podcasting, you folks are well ahead. We actually, Wiggly Wigglers, we've been doing our podcast for a year, and it's sort of natural gardening and farming.
Ooh.
And when we went to the UK conference, there was the BBC, Virgin, and Wiggly Wigglers.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I think that's really neat that you're here. That's great. Are you making a vacation out of this as well?
No, we're here. We arrived on Wednesday and we go home Sunday, and we've dedicated our whole time to finding out what's going on. And there's a lot going on.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much.
I guess maybe we'll show Blueberry, and in this case, all the new content that's being put up on the site is shown here on the very front page as most recent content. So, here we've just got a list of different people's programs.
Okay, let me interrupt just a minute. So this is an opportunity for us, whatever programs our campuses have developed or that we've developed out of the central administration, those programs can actually be appearing here, and employees all over the system then can access the programs there.
So we can break it down into categories, or if someone's looking for some specific information, they can actually go up here and search for, whatever. So on this page here, essentially we've got the episodes on the side, a description of the show, how it's tagged, who's listening, comments about the content. Now this is an overview, but we can dig in a little deeper and look at a specific episode. And on the episode, we have the description of everything that's in the episode, along with all the links to the RSS feed. They can listen online. With this system, we're cross-compatible with all players.
So the person who doesn't have an iPod or an MP3 player, no problem.
So our product is an automated podcasting appliance. It's end-to-end podcast production in a box.
And how does that work?
So you take one of these little USB thumb drives here and plug it into the front.
Oh, and watch it blink. Ooh, it's winking at me.
It'll beep, although we probably won't be able to hear that. That indicates that you're creating a podcast. We also potentially notified viewers that a podcast was created. This could have an XML list on it. And then we publish it up into a hosting system.
Wow.
So all of that with zero technical training, right? You don't know anything
That would
about
be me.
podcasting, right? Yeah. My grandmother could operate this.
That would be me too.
Okay. We have an academic hosting service called Miju, which is podcast hosting through different universities and colleges.
You said a key word there, university.
That's right.
Now we're here taking a look at products that can help us out with the administrative part of it, meaning the folks that are not teachers or in the classroom. So we're taking a look at things that might help us deliver training to other individuals. Do you think this might work?
Absolutely. I mean, the point is that it's easy to use. It doesn't take any technical training. In this case, all you have to know is what you want to talk about. So it's really easy for anybody. So what we're hoping is by building this type of appliance, we're just going to push out lots and lots of content, because we think that, especially in education, there's just so much great content out there. And just think about, the world, if we could capture all that, put it up on the internet, and anyone could have access to it.
That would be beautiful, and that's precisely what we're looking for. From the Podcast and Portable Media Expo, this is Robin.